So I just opened the GPT Trading Mini app. Let's get a signal. One tap, and it's ready. Direction, timing, that's it. No charts, no indicators, no overthinking. Just a clean trade idea, instantly. Now here's the thing. Most traders spend hours analyzing the market and still hesitate when it actually matters. They wait, they doubt, they miss the entry. And that's exactly where they lose. Because the market doesn't wait for you. That's why tools like GPT Trading Bot are changing the game. Instead of reacting late, you act on time. Instead of guessing, you follow data. Inside a simple Telegram app, you get instant signals generated by AI that analyzes the market in real time. You don't need experience. You don't need strategies. You just open the app, press the button, and trade. Take the signal, open your pocket option account, place the trade, and wait. Simple as that. But it doesn't stop there. If you want more control, switch to hyper mode. Choose the asset, set expiration, let the system analyze, and when the signal comes in, you act. Fast, clean, no hesitation. While the signal is active, you can open multiple trades and fully use the opportunity. No distractions, no emotions, just execution. Because in trading, speed and clarity beat everything else. So the question is, are you still going to trade manually, or finally use a tool that works at the speed of the market?
Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it.